to SST College of Arts and Commerce. You are watching SST Edupedia. I am Assistant Professor Varsha Savlani. In this video, we are seeing management application, the basic introduction of the Unit 1, that is Introduction to Marketing. The same topic is for TY BCom Semester 5 Commerce 5 as well as TY BAF Semester 5 Management Application. What exactly the marketing is? Marketing means creating awareness about the product, especially the goods and services. Through advertising, through different sources of promotion, the companies are creating the marketing. So marketing is one of the core functional area of business. Apart from production, HR, production, IT, R&D, one of the most important function, or we can say department, is marketing. In this department, the main purpose is to satisfy the customer, to know what the customer's needs and wants are there. Accordingly, the companies need to manufacture the product and provide the services. As well as the companies enhances the brand image, customer relationship management, after sales services, customer satisfaction, consumer behavior. All these are the sub departments under the department called marketing. So marketing, in the books it is called it as the father of marketing is Philip Kotler, because he has given so many concepts related to marketing. So marketing is nothing but creating awareness. Let's see the proper definition which is given by Philip Kotler. According to him, marketing management is the art and science of choosing the target market. Art means it requires creativity. It requires certain procedures to do the awareness of the product. So it's an art and science of choosing the target market. As we know, there are the 4 pillars of marketing: STPD, that is segmentation, targeting, positioning and differentiation. So out of that, the companies first do the segmentation, that is dividing the entire heterogeneous market into a homogeneous market, and accordingly they need to select the target area, which is a second pillar of marketing. So target market we have to analyze, and accordingly we have to make the product. So getting, keeping and growing the customers. Getting means we need to select the customers to whom we are going to target. Keeping, we need to retain those customers by providing good after sales services, by maintaining a good customer relationship management, by doing the upselling of the products. So getting, keeping and growing. We need to grow means we need to satisfy the further needs and wants of our customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Means we need to create, we need to form a certain product, maybe in the form of tangible or intangible. Then we need to deliver as per their requirement, whether they are doing shopping offline or online, on different platforms we have to make it our product available. And communicating, we need to do the promotion also of our product through advertising, through personal selling, direct marketing. These are the different ways how the companies can do the communication. Through superior customer value means obviously we are charging certain amount to the product. So value means the price of the product. So this is how the Philip Kotler says that the marketing is nothing but it's an art and science of choosing the target market, wherein we are creating, getting, keeping and growing the customers through creating, delivering and communicating the superior customer value. Okay. So let's see the features of marketing one by one. Marketing is a systematic process. As I said, there are the first 4 pillars, that is STPD, segmentation, targeting, positioning and differentiation. And there are 4 Ps in case of goods, that is product, price, place, promotion. So in this sequence, the marketers, the marketing manager has to frame the strategies. So it is a process of delivering or of doing the marketing. Then ideas, goods and services. We can do the marketing of ideas, any thought, any concept. We can do the marketing of goods, which are tangible product, as well as we can do the marketing of services which are intangible in nature. Then it's a target market. Our main focus is not to do the marketing in the entire market, because it is not feasible, not possible to fulfill all the needs and wants of the customers. So companies need to select the target market for whom they are manufacturing the product, and according to their requirement, more than the expectations, the companies need to deliver the services and provide the product. The next is customer satisfaction, because customer is been given so much title. They are the king of the market, they are the god of the market. Because of customer, it's a whole and soul in the market. Obviously, because of customer, the company sales happen, companies gets revenue, company is able to earn the profit and then reinvest those profit and do the expansion in a competitive environment. So customer satisfaction plays an utmost important role for the organization. Next is all pervasive. Marketing is not only just for the business organizations, but also for the non-business organization. It also plays an important role. If there is people are not aware about the concept or about the company, about the product, then how they will take the services. So it is must in all the fields marketing is applicable. Even the people, the celebrities do the marketing. Even nowadays the government is doing marketing of plays. So people, place, ideas, goods, services, it is applicable to all. It's all pervasive in nature. Next is the competitive advantage. Obviously now we can see the companies are implementing different strategies with the help of social media marketing, how to focus on the entire customer. So they are having the different techniques of doing the marketing to attract the customers. So competitive advantage companies can gain by doing the innovative way of advertising. Next is overall having the expansion of business we can do easily with the help of marketing. The companies are selecting branding. As per that same brand name, the companies does brand extension. It is possible for the organizations. By that the companies can decline the marketing cost. Then because of this marketing, the companies has a good corporate image. That is the reputation or goodwill of the company automatically enhances. Then integrated approach. Marketing is not an isolation. Obviously it includes so many different things, like we need to keep it in consideration, the price, the delivery of the product, promotion, etc. So all these are the key important features, we can say, nature, characteristics of marketing. Now, if we talk about marketing, the first thing comes the components of marketing or the elements of marketing, which we also called it as 4 P's, which we also called it as marketing mix. So, marketing mix comprises of 4 P's. Number 1, product. Second, price. Third, place. And fourth is promotion. In this sequence, we have to remember. Now, this 4 P's is given by E. John McCarthy in the year 1960s. So what exactly the marketing? The marketing comprises of these 4 P's. Later on in the year 1990s, it was Robert Lauterpan has derived the 4 C's related to customers. Like the customers can get the customer value, the cost of the product, convenience, then communication. So he has replaced the entire 4 P's into a 4 C's. 4 P's is related how the companies are doing marketing, and because of that marketing, how the customers are taking advantage, or what is the benefit the customers are getting because of these 4 P's. Like we can see the product means what exactly the customer is getting, which type of goods, which type of services, which type of other ideas, concepts the customer is getting with the product. If we talk about price, how much is the value of the product? How much the customer have to pay for the price? In the further videos, we will discuss about each and every component separately. There will be the separate video which will be soon upcoming is product management. Then there will be the next video is price management, place management and promotion management. So place has been replaced with the convenience. Means the companies need to send the product as per the convenience of the employee, of the customers. Promotion. The product also does the communication, means creating the awareness. There are the 6 tools of promotion: advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, direct marketing, publicity, public relation. Through these 6 tools, the companies are doing the promotion. So this is entire in detail. As I said, in the upcoming videos, I'll make into the product management. The product, if we talk about the product, I specifically talk about the tangible product, it has different attributes, it has different characteristics. How we can separate the two products, like if I take a pen and a pencil and a chalk, how can I separate these products as per the quality, quantity, size, packaging, brand name, usability, warranty. With the help of these features or attributes of the product, we can differentiate both the products from each other or many products from each other. Okay. If I talk about price, price is the second P of marketing mix, which means value of the product, at how much amount the companies are selling. So price include, there are different synonyms. Like in education, we talk it about price as a fees. In hospitals or doctorate services, again it's a fees. If we are using the road, express highway, we are paying toll. So likewise, price has a different synonyms. It means the value of the product. The companies are determining the cost as well as they are adding the margin. Then they determine as MRP. On many of the product, we see price as a MRP. The MRP stands for maximum retail price. So that is the second P. Talking about the third P, which is place. It is also called it as distribution. How the companies are doing distribution through various channels. If we talk about channels, there are broadly 2 channels in the traditional way. One is a direct channel, another one is an indirect channel. Direct channel means manufacturer themselves sells to the customer. Indirect channels includes 4 levels of distribution: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, means with the help of different intermediaries or middlemen, such as distributors, agents, wholesalers, retailers. Through these intermediaries, we can sell or distribute our product in the market. Talking about the fourth P, which is called promotion, which also called it as communication. The promotion here means through communication, we are creating the awareness about the product. So promotion includes advertising. Now advertising may be of 3 types. Electronic advertisement, print advertisement, outdoor advertisement. Electronic advertisement include TV, radio, then internet at large. Internet at large, social media. Nowadays, companies are using those platforms to create the awareness, because youngsters and many people are spending more time in social media rather than on television or newspapers. Apart from that, sales promotion. The sales promotion means offers and discounts. The companies like buy 2 get 1 free, or gift inside the pack, gift with the pack, bundled products. These are the different promotional tools, sales promotional tools, which for the temporary period of time the companies gives to the customers to expand the sales or to enhance the sales of the product. Then there is a next concept called direct marketing, where the companies, if they are having the contact details of the customers, like their contact number, their email ID, their residential address, through that the companies can do direct marketing. Then public relation means the companies are making good relation with all the parties or stakeholders, those who are included in a public. Like the companies have to maintain a good relation with the media partners, they have to maintain a good relation with the government authorities, with the customers, obviously with the employees. So through these methods, with the help of PRO, public relation officer, the companies are able to make a good relation with the customers. And next is publicity. Through media partners, the companies are doing the publicity, and publicity is of free of cost. It may be negative, it may be positive. It depends how the companies are making a good relation with the media partners. So these are the different tools of promotion. Overall, we called it as 4 P's, or it's a marketing mix or elements of marketing. Any word we can say: elements of marketing, components of marketing, 4 P's, marketing mix. It includes product, price, place, promotion. So with the help of this is a very basic introduction related to marketing. In the upcoming videos, we will see one by one these in detail. Like the next will be the product management. In that we will learn the levels of product life cycle, branding. All these concepts we will learn in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching.